The Whispering Creek water feature is small enough to accent the decor in almost any room setting, but large enough to capture your attention. This water feature can match any home decor by selecting blackened copper, antique bronze, silver metallic, copper vein, or upgrade to either of our premium metals, rustic copper or stainless steel. It is also ideal for business settings as it reduces employees' stress and infuses them with energy and creativity. Personalize your water feature with an engraving or company logo. The two-bulb halogen lighting system illuminates the natural beauty of the stone, and the water glimmers in the light as it cascades down to the polished river stones. The decorative metal hood and tray are hand-fabricated by skilled artisans. Every cut and bend is finished to exactness. All metals, except for stainless steel, are powder-coated to provide protection against discoloration and aging for years of enjoyment. This model offers varieties of natural slate stone as well as mirror and feather stone. All slate stone edges are meticulously hand-chiseled to perfection. Our custom stone selection option allows you to go online and choose your stone with the color and texture to match your decor. Our unique water distribution system will not clog, causing uneven water flow, and in the water reservoir, our welded plastic liner is double tested to ensure against leaking. Quality control through every phase of the creation of your water feature is paramount at Adagio. Every water feature is 100% made in the USA and backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Discover the beauty and tranquility from owning an Adagio water feature.